I was actually wrong. I said the Ripple XRP ETF is never going to be happening because of constant regulation, because the SEC and the BlackRock are obviously, well, meeting up. And I thought, well, XRP ETF, why would it happen? SEC just has a bitter taste right now because, well, XRP won on many counts with the lawsuit. And that's where I was really, honestly, very worried about people saying XRP ETF, XRP ETF, because I didn't want to make them like, I didn't want them to be like an exit liquidity. So basically, the whales selling the news and selling their tokens for it. And I wasn't sure if it was realistic or not. So this time we're going to be looking at everything that XRP ETF could happen, all the info we have, and everything behind that, because there is actually now a real possibility that the XRP ETF is going to be happening. And that's where I find a lot of that excitement coming through.
So it looks as if an XRP ETF could actually be a possibility. If you guys remember, this was a rumor not too long ago, and that rumor was quickly pushed down that maybe BlackRock would come out with an XRP ETF, and there was some, news that spread out there, but it all proved to be misinformation. But it doesn't mean that the idea of an XRP spot ETF is necessarily dead. It doesn't mean that it can't happen. I've highlighted this in some recent videos, but now we've got some real evidence that this could actually take place. And it's...
So yeah, everybody's excited about the XRP ETF, but now we have more info on that. And I honestly thought this was just a rumor because like people on Telegram, they talk a lot of different stuff. They talk, oh, XRP is going to be $16,000 next month. And this is where the big problem came in for a lot of these like projects is you never really are too sure where it's time to stop and say, ha, good joke, right? There wasn't really any time to stop there. I think this was the big problem a lot of these projects were having. They were having all jokes. And when people asked in the room, haha, but it's a joke, right? Right? No, it wasn't really a joke. And this is where I feel a lot of the XRP community in that sense was really overhyped at that point, was really underperforming in that sense, was really not understanding what exactly was going on in the crypto markets.
To no surprise that it's not in the United States, but it's outside the United States.
So yeah, an XRP ETF outside of the US could be a nice thing. But again, we could be seeing it in abroad countries. If we see it in abroad countries, maybe the US investors wouldn't be able to buy it.
In a area where it's a little bit more crypto friendly, and that is Hong Kong. That's right. Industry leaders have been invited to apply for an XRP spot ETF in Hong Kong. Let me explain some more details for you guys. As we dive into it, smash that like button for us. Merry Christmas to you. Happy holidays. Love you guys. Always out here working, grinding for you, even on Christmas. Doesn't matter, right? Your birthday, my birthday, Jesus's birthday. We're out here grinding. The crypto game does not sleep. All right, so...
Yeah, so crypto markets never really stop.
Members of the XRP community are now awaiting the creation of a spot XRP exchange-traded fund on Asian soil amid a key event that has unfolded in the region. So here's what happened. In particular, Dizzer Capital founder Yassine Mobarak invited crypto industry leaders to create an XRP ETF in Hong Kong after recent regulatory approval. See, Hong Kong has been at the forefront of being very, very crypto friendly. And in a circular last Friday, Hong Kong's top regulatory bodies said they had reviewed their current policies regarding intermediaries seeking to engage in crypto-related activities. In particular, the Hong Kong Monetary Authority, or HKMA, and the Securities and Futures Commission, SFC, have expressed their willingness to accept cryptocurrency spot ETFs. And not just for Bitcoin, Ethereum, not just for those two, for other cryptos as...
So this is good. If Hong Kong gets in, I think a lot of the Asian market is going to be seriously in high price gains. So everybody's going to win in that sense. There's not going to be any type of losers in that aspect. So that's where I think the spot ETF victory will arise. But here's what I also think. Like, what's the regulation going to be for this? Where is regulation going to stop in that way? What are we going to be seeing differently? And how will crypto change in the next few days for that aspect? So that's really all my questions right now with these price updates that we're seeing. But that being said, does seem like we do have more updates for that in a sense. I do definitely think there is going to be more of people coming into XRP, going to be coming into, if this comes true, like XRP could be getting to $2.
As well. They're very open to it. According to the circular, which was kind of this kind of get together event, the revision reflects recent market developments, and the SFC has granted authorization of the creation of crypto futures ETFs. Now, not spot, but futures ETFs. A little bit different, but still bullish here for XRP and other crypto.
So future ETFs are way, way different than spot ETFs. So spot ETFs you basically hold. Now, future ETFs are actually existing in crypto on the crypto exchanges. So I think this is like the thing. If we get a spot ETF, that's where we could really getting like a big thing. So an ETF is going to be cool, like a future ETF, but it's nothing compared to the spot ETF, to the big game changer. A lot of these exchanges are having right now, and where I'm really, really excited to see more of price updates. But again, anything could happen at that point. Anything could change. And I think this is where the huge potential could arise in that sense. So that being said, it does seem like we do have more updates for you guys. If you want to be kept up to date on this channel with more content, just stay tuned, stay subscribed, and I'll keep you guys updated with more crypto news. Until next time, peace everyone.